Are you in the zone?
I'm zoned.
Hum. So we're bringing that back over here.
Okay, hold on.
So we're thinking about, we got Bob Drake headlights, really cool stuff, nice. But I'm looking at it, we're trying to figure out, this is for all Phantom Pete here. But putting this on and that and this and how do you adjust that and what's going on?
Yeah, what do you do
and
with
I'm
the
like, there's
wires?
a wire and they're coming out the back and I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, that ain't how it goes. So I said, Gibby, he's got his original ones, don't he? Yeah. Okay, so the original one, which is exactly how I thought it was, it's got a long bolt
Which
with
goes
a hole
through
in
the
it.
stand and.
All right, here's a phone at it. My phone come off. So anyway, I don't know where I left off, but you may get a repeat. So the original one comes through.
The wiring, right.
The wire comes through the bolt. The bolt is much longer.
Right, it goes through the
Goes
stand.
through the stand,
and
bolt
to the
underneath,
fender brace.
onto the fender brace.
Right there.
And you can see there's plenty of room.
And this is how this moves.
Where the Bob Drake one is short, no
Yes.
hole in it. The wire runs out the back, which we've already taken out.
Apart.
And they give you these chromy conduit things to go in there, and it just,
Oh, so is that what that clicks on then? This?
yeah. But that we're not using any of that.
No, we're gonna
We'll plug
abort
that.
all
We'll plug that hole. Make it look nice.
And here's what I'm thinking. See how this is a special deal and all that?
All right.
I'm gonna grind these rivets out. Okay. All right. This one bolts in, and somehow.
Same bolt pattern? Yeah, same bolt.
Well,
No.
if it isn't, we'll make it same. We got a drill.
We have the technology.
Right. And I'm
Okay.
gonna bolt that into here.
We can do it without taking that out, I think, can't we?
What do you mean do it without taking it out?
Anyway, as we figure this out, we'll be back momentarily.
A word from our sponsor.
A word from our sponsor. Hey, while you're waiting, go ahead and like and subscribe. My wife says you need to tell them to like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
like, hit the mash, hit
hit
the button,
hit
and all that. Yeah, I know.
There's a button. I don't do any of that. Do
I
you ever do
forget
that?
about it. I forget.
Well, I don't. I've never thought to say it, but anyway,
Like, subscribe, and share.
we'll be back before you can blink. What are you doing? You're drilling holes in there.
Yes. See how they got your turn signal down here in your headlight?
Right.
When he's in his parades or parked or shows, it's Phantom Pete. I guess the color is green.
Okay.
He wants a green, the headlights to light up green.
Okay. I knew that because I just went and looked for the sockets. I bought two. One of them was only $7, $8. The other one was like $50.
How can that just...
I know, for basically that.
Yeah,
We're
your
gonna
old
put 'em in
school 194.
there. So any
Oh.
modifications? So tell me what you did here. Show me what you got going on.
Okay, what we got going on? This replacement bucket comes with a yo big of
Okay. A little short one with
no hole.
So we took the old one.
Which you have to have actually.
Yeah, you really
Because
need
you got to
that.
get to that
Exactly.
brace.
Yep.
You just can't mount
No.
off of this thing.
Right.
It won't stay. I didn't realize that. You
Oh,
told me
so
that.
on this worked out good too. I took some of that felt, sticky back felt,
yeah.
put it on there, trimmed it out, so that's got it's going to be a good
So it
back
ain't
to
rubbing
that.
the heck out of the paint job.
Okay.
So
You
what I'm
modified
doing,
it,
what I'm doing now is, we modified all
took
this.
the old parts out, used
Yeah.
the old parts, used the new parts,
Yeah, you can't even see
made
it
it
in
work.
there.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
We got to figure out how to fill that hole.
Yeah, we need a rubber grommet or something.
But there'll be no wires coming out of there. You won't even see the wires.
Won't even see them.
All right, so you're on that.
I'm
I'm
on
on
that.
this. Let me
You're
get
on
the other
that.
one of these done.
And then we're going to bolt these babies on.
Bolt them on. We have extra components here. So this
Yeah.
is a Phantom green light bulb.
That's the
If we
Phantom
don't have a
green
green
bulb.
light bulb, so
Right.
Mike, you'll have to get a green light bulb for that.
And it'll look like, I think I got, it's just a 194. It'll just do.
And we couldn't get two of the same ones.
Right, so I'm going to have to.
Otherwise, this one would have cost you $50. Where we got that one for, these were both similar in price.
Yeah.
But I had to go to two different stores.
Yeah, that's what it'll be like.
Yep.
But it'd be a green bulb.
Yep.
Sorry, Davey, I'm off 2 minutes.
Yeah, I've been busy.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like it's got eye sockets, no eyeballs.
No.
No. The way you said no.
Well, I give up on the wiring right now, so I moved on.
Oh, you gave up on wiring?
Yeah, if I do wiring, I gotta do the whole car. I just can't.
Oh, I know that we're jacked.
Oh yeah. All right.
We're gonna go to the pool tonight?
Probably.
All right, so we're figuring out wires, tracing wires, looking at wires. We got a socket for a green light. We got the turn signal down there. Got the wires, so I'm gonna start wiring. We got a, what do you call it? It's a voltage draw, I mean?
Parasitic.
A parasitic draw. That's pretty fancy sound, a parasitic draw, and we think it's coming from the alternator. CBF is a good company. They warranty everything. You just gotta make sure that you sign in the warranty on their website. And it doesn't matter if you bought it several years ago. They'll still honor it. It's lifetime warranty on it. So, was there a way to check that alternator here, or do I need to take it in? What do you think? He's focused over there. Am I tricking you into looking at wires?
Well, I was wondering if the AC was working right now because it's just got a single wire going up to the clutch.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Yep, we just charged it yesterday.
Yep.
We had to rerun the wire.
Temperature sender.
Not necessary though.
They didn't temperature. Does it say temperature on there?
Yeah.
Does that say temperature sender?
Yep. Temperature sensor.
Is that a water temp sender?
Intake air.
Intake air
Air.
mass.
That's
the
for
air
mass
mass.
airflow
So
sensor.
that would have been, yeah.
Yeah, don't have that.
Yeah, air mass not necessary.
Yeah, because I've got.
Yeah, we got our. Well, you're not
Intake
plugged in.
air.
No, that's the alternator. Remember, we don't need that.
Oh, we don't need that.
I am plugged. Ooh, I am plugged in right here. Yes, dang it.
Oh, the alternator is plugged in?
Engine, coolant,
Yeah.
temperature sensor.
And we're not temping sensing,
We're not sensing.
but it's a one-wire alternator. I talked to them.
Yeah.
The only reason that plug is there because they use a alternator from an
Like a
old
GM.
Corvette, yeah, and it's just by default it's there.
That's probably like an old Delphi type
Mm-hmm.
alternator, ain't it?
Yep. So not necessary. So that's not the problem.
At least they used a good alternator. Delphis were good.
Yep. So I have to think wiring.
Yeah.
I'll think wiring. You're getting
I'm getting this front end
Getting
closer and closer.
and closer.
Look
Got
how
the little
close I am.
chromey piece on there. Look at that. It is getting
6
pretty
bolts and that baby's done.
close. 6 bolts and you're done.
Yep.
Man. I've been talking for an hour or two. But we got the headlights on.
Yes.
The headlight buckets.
Yes.
Bolted down tight.
Yes. Oh, I gotta finish that one.
Have our felt underneath of it.
Before I forget.
So
I like how
now I need to get the wires up in there and move on from there.
Right, we got it.
Daniel and the Lions then. We're just talking about trickery. We got Gibby wiring up here. We're figuring it out. And trickery, the ultimate trickery, is whitewashing the fence. You ever whitewash the fence? Instead, we'll wire up some headlights. So, Daniel is my wiring. Well, we're all wiring it. We're just on it. Actually, it took some figuring, which sometimes it does. But I think we have a plan. So, Mike, if you're watching this, if you pull just the switch far enough for the running light, your green light is going to come on in your headlight.
Yeah.
And otherwise, you got the rest of it's going to be regular lights and high beams and low beams and turn signals and what have you. So it's all figured out. We got the wires in there. Got some heat shrink going on where it goes through the bolts. Then we got some wire loom coming up through there.
Ow.
It's all looking good. And we're making progress.
Progress?
Yeah, about 20 minutes ago, my progress wasn't so good, but once you figure out what the wires do and you figure out,
I figured out that if you stretch it all the way out and then tape it, with it stretched out, it'll pull through a lot easier.
all right,
Okay.
so headlights. Hey, Gibby, you know what?
Huh?
I think it was a successful first date. He's asking for my phone number. So So we're switching phone numbers, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Ooh, don't. Okay, heart attack for me. Don't break that.
I see.
But we think we got it all wired up good. I'm gonna go get some more butt connectors.
You
So we
said
can-
butt.
But I didn't say nuts anyway. All right.
Oh,
All right. Hey, that looks better with the lens in there.
You can kind of see that blue coming through the
Yeah.
lens. A little.
Turn it on. Turn it
turn it
on.
on. Let's see if the high beam will be marked.
That is going to be blinding.
Bing.
Now where? That is low beam. Well, then here.
Oh,
My
give me,
dash click on.
give me something else.
You can see that blue hue.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
Definitely high.
Yeah, that's high. Give me a turn signal. Can you even see that through that?
Oh, yeah.
You can see it, but good thing we got one on the call too.
We got one on the call for that.
Yeah.
But here, when the headlights are off,
Yeah, when it's just parking lamps.
Oh yeah. Oh, that looks cool.
and then when we're on marker lights right now, that green light should be
Yep.
on. Right? Ain't that how we did it?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. We got the headlights on with a grunt. What are you doing down there?
Wow, I can't.
Oh, that's got to go on and twist it on there. Snaps on. Snaps on like that. No problem. Looks like you got to loosen that a little bit.
There ain't no adjustment on it.
That makes you happy?
Yeah.
That was tight.
Yeah.
So they're spring loaded, not adjustable.
Right.
Just got to have everything lined up, pushed in tight, and good. Hey, that looks like a front of a car.
Yeah, we got bumpers on it.
Yeah, wait till the bumper's on it, right?
All right.
Cool. Lights are working.
We got a nice bumper for this thing?
Yeah. Well, we had one on there. It was okay bumper. We put a brand new one on the back, I think.
Oh, yeah, we got that.
And we got a nice one for the front.
Okay.
So, slow progress, but we did make progress.
Yeah. And I didn't nick or scratch anything.
Gibby gets a pat on the back. He didn't
Yeah.
nick or scratch anything. All right, so it's already late. So we're gonna say good night here.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow afternoon. And yeah, that's not a bad. That ain't the new one though, is it? Wait, that is
I
the new
think
one.
it is the brand new one.
That is the new one.
So
That
the
looks-
spare
yeah.
tire and stuff hit the other one.
Yeah, that is the new one because the back one was the not new one, but we made it, cleaned it up pretty good. That does look pretty good. So, getting close. Or, but I've had enough for today. I gotta go deal with my goats.
Yeah.
So it's time to say good night, Gibby.
Night, Gibby.